Hi, my name is Shin, Master of Key Energy Therapy. I have a special ability to withdraw spiritual energy called Key from Universe Reading. I utilize this energy to reduce pain and improve condition of almost any kind of diseases and sickness and injuries, including many types of cancers. I don't use any shots, needles, or medications, key energy only. Therefore, my therapy is very safe. In fact, there are no side effects, yet it is remarkably effective. Today I'm going to talk about maybe the idealistic way of treating cancer problems. I've been taking care of many types of cancers for the last 15 years. From the top of my head is brain cancer, thyroid cancer, esophagus cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, large intestine, small intestine cancer, stomach cancer, prostate cancer, ovarian cancer, uterus cancer, leukemia, lymphoma, on and on and on. And I have found very disturbing results from those people who have come to see me for help. Most people come to see me for the last minute of their lives. Their stage of cancer is like a stage 4 or 5 after receiving surgery and chemotherapy and sometimes radiotherapy, and doctor gave him up. So they come to see me as a last resort. Most of the time when I try to give them therapy, their immune system was so deeply compromised, I could not help them. Their immune system is too low, so I could not bring them an immune system so that they could not fight against the cancer and win. On the other hand, when they found they have a cancer, they come to see me at the beginning of their cancer stage 1 or 2. Chances was very high that cancer can be gone. As well as those people who received surgery but refused to have chemotherapy. Again, I could bring their immune system back to the high level so that they no longer worry about cancer cells. So the difference between receiving chemo or not is maybe the biggest difference. Yet so many people are offered to have chemotherapy, even though it is dangerous. 99% of people who receive chemotherapy, they lose their hairs. They got nausea, they lose appetite, they cannot go to sleep, they got a pain, they have no energy. The reason is very simple. Chemo is toxic. It's a poison. The idea is to kill poisonous cancer cell by stronger poison. It's okay if it works. But as far as I know, successful rate is very low. Yet, doctor many times recommend their patients to go for chemo after the surgery, even though successful rate is not high enough. The level of immune system is a key for our health. If we have a cancer cells, if it's tiny cancer cells, just upgrading or heightening our immune system can easily solve our cancer problem. But surgery itself is lower our immune system, and chemotherapy and radiotherapy lower much to the almost sometimes bottom of our immune system. So chances of losing our life is very high. On the other hand, if doctors tell you got to have chemotherapy, it's very difficult to say no to them. I understand it. Based on my experience taking care of those people by providing my key energy therapy, I can improve your immune system, sometimes maximize your immune system much more than anybody else. So I want you to think about it, adding my key energy therapy in conjunction with chemotherapy if you cannot refuse to have chemotherapy or radiotherapy. I've been taking care of several people come to see me who's taking chemotherapy, and they never lost their appetite. They never lost their energy. They are dealing with daily life, same time receiving chemotherapy and my therapy, and they got health back. So I cannot guarantee you, but I know my key energy therapy helped them a lot. So I want you to think about it, and I don't want you to be too late to come to see me, like 70 or 80% of people who have come to see me for help. After doctor gave them up, after they faced to death, then they start to look around to see whether or not something else is available. Then they contact me. I don't want you to be too late. So if you have any doubt about chemotherapy, if you have any way you can think about my key energy, maybe I can help you. Even though I cannot guarantee you anything, but as far as I know, my key energy therapy is very safe. At the same time, I can heighten your immune system, could be maximal level, so that chances of getting rid of cancer cell and recover from disease is very, very high. If you have any question, you contact me, and I'm going to talk to you about it, what I can do, what I cannot do. Thank you.